everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today I'm going to share an interesting and special side dish recipe. We are going to make this super spicy and delicious soya masala fry. Let's get started and check it out. For this recipe I have taken around 2 cups of soya chunks. Add hot water and let them soak for about 10 to 15 minutes until they become nice and soft. Once they are properly soaked, allow them to cool slightly, then squeeze out all that excess water completely and keep the soya chunks aside. Now let's prepare a special homemade masala powder that gives this fry an amazing flavor. Heat a pan and add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, a small piece of cinnamon, 4 cloves, 2 cardamom pods, and a small piece of star anise. Roast everything on medium flame until the spices release a beautiful aroma. After roasting for a minute or 2, add 4 red chilies and roast them along with the spices. Once everything is nicely roasted, turn off the flame and transfer the spices to a plate. Allow them to cool completely. Once cooled, transfer the roasted spices into a mixer jar and grind them to a nice fine powder. Our aromatic homemade masala powder is ready. Keep this aside. Now heat a kadai and add around 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add 2 finely chopped medium-sized onions and saute well until they become soft and slightly golden. Next, add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and saute for another minute until the raw smell goes. Now add 1 finely chopped tomato and cook until it becomes soft and blends well with the onions. For spice, add 2 finely chopped green chilies and mix well. Next, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chilli powder, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix everything well and allow the spices to combine nicely with the onion and tomato mixture. Now add around 1 cup of water and let this masala cook for a few minutes until it starts boiling and the flavors come together. Once it starts boiling, add the squeezed soya chunks and mix well. Make sure the masala coats every piece of the soya nicely. Now comes the most important step, add the freshly ground masala powder. This gives the dish a wonderful aroma, deep flavor, and an amazing color. Mix everything well and keep the flame on low and add a few fresh curry leaves for extra flavor and mix again. Cover the kadai and cook for about 5 minutes so that the soya chunks absorb all the delicious masala flavors. Of course, there are so many recipes that we can make with soya. And if you want me to try something different or share some new recipes with you guys, let me know in the comment section. After 5 minutes, open the lid and you can see that the soya chunks have absorbed all these beautiful spices. Add a handful of freshly chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Continue cooking until all that extra moisture evaporates and the soya chunks become dry and perfectly fried. And there you go, this delicious soya fry is ready. You can serve it hot as a starter or as a side dish. You can enjoy it with rice, pulao, chapati, or even dosa. This soya fry is not only tasty, spicy, but it's also packed with delicious masala flavors. Well, the soya masala fry looks amazing and I can't wait to try it. There you go. Wow. It's just absorbed all this beautiful masala flavor and it's so juicy and so soft. You can happily enjoy a nice bowl of these soya chunks. Excellent flavors. Just for all the soya lovers, guys, you don't want to miss this one. So now you have a fantastic recipe that you can try with soya chunks. Don't miss it. Go try it and share this recipe with your family and friends. All my home cooking digital cookbooks are now available on shop.homecookingshow.in. Download and start cooking today. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website.